If you are wondering if we have 120 Hz screen on OnePlus 15, then the answer is no. In fact, we have more than that. We have 165 Hz display refresh rate on OnePlus 15. However, what is quite interesting is that many apps are actually limited to 120 Hz and some are actually limited to 90 by default. So if we go to settings and choose display and brightness, then over here we can scroll down in order to find screen refresh rate. And as you can see, in this case, we have 165 Hz. But if we go to app specific refresh rate, many of these apps are, as you can see, limited to 120, and we cannot actually increase it more than that. We cannot provide more than that. And in some cases, apps by default are using only 90 Hz, but of course we can still select them and switch to more if we want to. And only selected games are actually compatible with 165 Hz refresh rate. So if you play some games, there is a high chance that you will actually not experience 165 Hz refresh rate. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.